Welcome to our channel, where we will guide you through a simple and effective meditation practice. In just 3 easy steps, you can learn how to calm your mind and achieve a blissful state. Meditation has various benefits, such as reducing stress, enhancing focus, and promoting overall well-being. By incorporating meditation into your daily routine, you can experience a significant improvement in your life. Step 1. Find a quiet and comfortable space where you can sit or lie down. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and begin to relax your body. Step 2. Focus your attention on your breath. Observe the inhales and exhales without trying to control them. Let any thoughts or distractions pass by, gently bringing your attention back to your breath. Step 3. Bring your awareness to your body, starting from your head and moving down to the toes. Scan your body for any tension or discomfort, and consciously release it with each exhale. Continue this practice for 5 minutes, allowing yourself to fully relax and enter a state of inner peace. Remember, meditation is a journey, and it takes time to build your practice. With consistency and patience, you will notice the positive effects of meditation in your daily life. For a special bonus, click the link below to download your free ebook, Choosing Your Niche for Your Online Business. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more insights, tips, and guides.